Masquera say Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kariki kutanka kukuya paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chungwa karoka subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nas Mure Zimbabwe takigirai, nyaya ya the leader of the Joan Masuwe Chishano, Madzibaba Ishmael, chokurongerwa avo va appear in the court in allegations ekurepa 3 juveniles avo vanga vari part of his congregation vakaonekwa vachivarepa muri Zimbabwe. Va Ishmael chokurongerwa vari kunzi is facing 3 counts rape muri Zimbabwe. Vachokurongerwa vaigara kuLily Farm kunyabira vakarimandwa out of the custody to November 21 apa vakapia before the Harare magistrate Mr. Stanford Mambanje. Apo vari kunzi is facing 3 counts rape. So first count yavo iyo iri kunzi yakaitika during the period yaextenda from February 2023 to 12 March 2024. So iri kunzi Madzibaba Ishmael akashandisa influence yavo kurepa a victim uyanga nemakore 14. So iri kunzi the victim akabata nhumbu iyo yakaresulta in the birth of a baby girl. The matter yakabuda muna March 2024 kushure mekunge pane tip-off yakabuda yakareceive through various social media platforms yakonzeresa kuti mapurisa wanokwa achiinvestigate this issue akawanikwa achibata va Ishmael Madzibaba Ishmael muri Zimbabwe. So the victim ari kunzi akarescuwa kumba kwa aigariswa naMadzibaba Ishmael kumufakose muHarare yakaendeswa kuKadoma General Hospital for age estimation and medical examination. So zviri kunzi painterviewer the victim hanzi akarambobuditsa information nekuda kwekuindoctrinatwa kwangaitwa naMadzibaba Ishmael muri Zimbabwe. Avo vari kunzi vaimanikidza zvakare varume vese vari muchechi mavo kuti vange vachirara nevana vadiki muri Zimbabwe. So through my investigations and pakazobatwa kunzi Madzibaba Ishmael vakange varepa mwana uyu. So zviri kunzi pane maDNA tests akaitwa ainvolva vamwana akazvarwa pachitiko ichochi muri Zimbabwe akaconductwa ku the National University of Science and Technology University to the National conductwa at the National University of Science and Technology. Results ayarunzi akaindicate kuti Madzibaba Ishmael ndo muridzi wemwana. Second count iri kunzi yakaitika during the period yaextenda from the year 2018 to March 12. Apa iri kunzi another girl anga nemakore 14 akarepwa on several occasions zvakakonzwa kuti pazvarwe mwana mukomana mugore 2024. The third count iri kunzi yakaitika muperiod yaextenda from the year 2020 to March 12 2024. Apo a girl ane 14 years futi akabatwa chibharo naMadzibaba Ishmael pakaonekwa pachizvarwa mwana mukomana. So evidence yakazobuda mushure mekunge maDNA tests atorwa muri Zimbabwe. So nyaya iyi yakabuditswa neThe Herald vachitaura vachiti the leader of the Joan Masuwe Chishano gore jena penyeranyika sect Madzibaba Ishmael chokurongerwa has appeared in court on allegations of raping 3 juveniles who are part of his congregations and impregnating them. Chokurongerwa, who resides at Lily Farm, Nyabira, was remanded out of custody to November 21 when he appeared before the magistrate Mr. Stanford Mambanje, facing 3 counts of rape. On the first count, which took place during the period extending from February 2023 to March 12, 2024, Chokurongerwa, using his influence and power, raped his victim, who was then 14 years old. It is alleged that the victim fell pregnant as a result of the rape and gave birth to a baby girl. The matter came to light in March 24 after a tip-off was received through various social media platforms, which prompted the police to investigate the issue. The victim was rescued at number 40 Ngamera Road, Mufakose, Harare, where Chokurongerwa had established is established as a safe house and was taken to Kadoma General Hospital for age estimation and medical examination. The count yet that victim was interviewed but became hostile due to the indoctrination by Chokurongerwa, who also forced all married men in the church to sleep with young girls. Through investigations, information was received to the effect that Chokurongerwa was the one who abused the victim. As a result, DNA testing involving the victim, the children, and Chokurongerwa were conducted at the National University of Science and Technology. The results indicated that Chokurongerwa was indeed the father of the children. On the second count, it was alleged that during the period extending from the year 2018 to March 12, 2024, Chokurongerwa raped the victim, who was then 14 years old, on several occasions. The court heard that the victim gave birth to a baby boy in 2022. The matter came to light in March 2024 after a tip-off through various social media platforms, which prompted police to investigate the issue. The victim was also rescued at a safe house number 40, Ngamera Road, Mfakose, Harare. The victim was taken to Kadoma General Hospital for age estimation and medical examination. The victim was also hostile while she was being interviewed. DNA tests done on the child and Chokurongerwa at last indicated that he was the father of the child. On the third count, which happened during the period extending from the year 2020 to March 12, 2024, Chokurongerwa raped his victim, who was then 14 years old. The court heard that the victim gave birth to a baby boy on August 17, 2022. The matter came to light in March 2024 after a tip-off was received through various social media platforms. The victim was rescued at the safe house and was taken to Kadoma General Hospital for age estimation and medical examination. Both the age estimation and medical reports can be produced as exhibit. DNA tests done on the child and the accused at last indicated that the accused was the father of the child. The DNA paternity test certificate can also be produced as exhibit. Ndonya yakabuditswa ne The Herald muri Zimbabwe tisingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi sokutaura kwatiri kuita Madzibaba Ishmael vakabatwa nemhosva iyoyi ye3 accounts erape muri Zimbabwe and kutaura kwatiri kuita. So according to my experts, Surunzi Madzibaba Ishmael vanogona kupiwa mutongo wemakore anokwanisa 45 years. Ngazive kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi, tiudzei zvamuri kufunga mucomment section.